Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can browse through various different products. Now, if you wish to change the currency that is used to display the price of the products that you are viewing, then just tap on your profile icon at the bottom section, which will take you into your profile page. From here, you will see the flag as well as the language icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on this. And now you will see the currency option at the end. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you can choose from the various currencies that are available. Just tap on whichever currency you prefer to be used to show you the price of any item, and then tap on the done button. And now every time you view an item, you will be able to see the price in the currency that you just selected. And you can change this by going back to the account option as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency on the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.